Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll talk about how to switch to Eclipse environment out of SAP Logon Pad. So I guess many of you who are watching this channel are basically YouTubers who are interested to learn new technologies, whatever is coming up in SAP in ABAP side, at least, because I'm more of interested in the ABAP parts. I'll try to do videos on the rest of the things which are new developments from SAP, but at this moment I will concentrate on the ABAP stuff. Then I will go back to other business streams. So this time I'll talk about one of the main trivia which I faced also in last few years back, that we ideally should come out of Logon Pad. Why we say this? You understand, Logon Pad is a separate device which directly connects, and it's a request response connection which is continuous, and you don't have a disturb connection, something called disturb connection. If there is an internet issue or something disturbing in your network or in the main network which serves you, it gets disconnected. So that's why ABAP came in with ABAP development tools which can be integrated with Eclipse. The easiest steps how to accumulate ADT under ABAP development tool in the system Eclipse is shown above here. So you simply have to go to help and install new software. I'll give you a link of on-demand HANA ADT download link. Just paste it, something like tools, yeah, this one, and you have to add the things ticking here, and you can go ahead, yeah, like this. You simply have to select all and then go for next and finish. It will download all the tools necessary and it will be installed. Just restart the Eclipse. I guess you can download Eclipse from eclipse.org, and you can install ADT as instructed here. Now this is a well-known environment for Java developers who have been a Java developer earlier, but it's very new for the ABAP guys who never used Eclipse and who directly coming in here. So here you can just right click on the environment and try to create any object. It will ask you to log in the system. If your Logon Pad have the systems, it will directly ask which system to connect. So you can just select the system environment and go ahead. You can simply log on with your credentials, username and password. That will allow you to log in your system. The hierarchy will look like something like this: favorite package, favorite object, released objects and packages. So this is the instance. It is the business technology platform solution offered by SAP, and I get a free instance of it, and I am using for last 1 month. You have 1 month free license to learn. So I'm just going through the objects. That's why I can show you the system. This is TRL. I have logged in with my CID. So I have logged in the system, and you see these objects are showing up. So this is one of the objects that I created. It's a table which you can see on the screen. I'm just running through the annotations and things, how it works. I found it similar to the S4 system, but you have to write it your own way. There is no SE11 or nothing like GUI transactions. For your S4 solution, you have other solutions like the transactions. SE11, SE80 is there with your GUI. So let's talk about how to operate in Eclipse. You select the system, click on the system entity here. You can press the buttons Control Shift and A. Remember this button, Control Shift and A. This opens all the objects list, whatever objects you have in your system, and you can search it with the character you need. So you click on the system, Control Shift and A, and you search anything, whatever you wish. This is one part. Let's go to the second part. If you go to the right side corner of Eclipse, right side down, and go here and click the system and press the Control Shift and L, it will open you the help list. It will show all the helps shortcut. You can search it, or you can just go down and see whichever is useful for you. So if you want to know some shortcut, you can simply click Control Shift and L and it will work. Let's go about pretty printer stuff. Just click on something else, the help part will go off. you want to create any code, the code you want to check the code, the key to check the code is the old one, Control plus F2. And to activate it, Control plus F3. It's the old buttons. If you want to save it, Control plus S. You can save it right away. You want to save all of them, you have a button. I'll show you that here. Save all of them. You want to pretty print, there is old key settings which was working in old GUI, Shift F1. It will pretty print. Let's look about the other shortcuts. You want to execute any objects. This is also the old key. They have tried to keep everything intact, whatever was there, the easy operations. It's F8. So I'll now try to execute this one just to see whether it works or not. So it's trying to save and activate it. Just press F8. It will show you the data. There is no data as of now. I have to create it, but the table structure is showing. You can click on SQL console. It will show you the query which is being hit at the background. You can close the console. You can write your query here, whatever you want. You can close it here and go back to the data definition. So if you want to open the GUI, SAP GUI in the Eclipse itself, you don't need to go back to your system GUI. So this system is not projectable, but whichever systems have a GUI option, you can click on GUI and select OK. It will open here. So that you can do in your system, S4 system, or any ECC6 for the systems. And to pretty print your code, it is Shift F1, and to comment anything, it is Control plus 7. You have to press Control plus 7. So, and Control plus 7 for uncommenting it. It's the same buttons. And you can do Alt Shift and C for version comparison. For direct shortcut for version comparison. For any other shortcuts, you can select Shift, Control and L. You see it there. If you need object, I'll do another video about object to object, how to use all the objects in Eclipse on the next video. Please be tuned to the channel and subscribe our channel if you like it. So, and very soon our video is coming up about 740 and 750 coding standards. Please subscribe if you like the content. And we have created a video earlier about syntaxes. If you like this, you can watch that one also. So until then, until the next video, bye bye. See you on the next video.